This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your device has the latest stable OS and a recent backup. Once done, open Settings and navigate to General or System, then tap Keyboard. You're doing this so the emoji update applies cleanly across apps. Outdated system files block new emoji. While in keyboard settings, note which third-party keyboards are enabled so you can re-enable them later if needed. Now proceed to check keyboards and language preferences. Next, manage the keyboards. Tap into Keyboards and add any official language packs or emoji keyboards you need. If your platform offers an emoji update, install it. Otherwise, install a trusted third-party keyboard app from the official store. Make sure to grant full keyboard access only to apps you trust. Once installed, set your preferred keyboard as default or reorder keyboards so the emoji keyboard is easy to access. This ensures new emoji appear when typing. Finally, restart your device so the system integrates the new emoji. After reboot, open Messages, Notes, or Social apps and switch to the emoji keyboard to verify new symbols display correctly. If some emojis still don't appear, make sure all apps are updated. The app itself may need an update to support the new emoji set. If problems persist, clear app cache, reinstall the keyboard, or remove and re-add the language pack. These steps usually resolve display.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.